bicycles, a lot of students walking around in crosswalks, so they obviously have to be very careful. But here's one of those lights at Rio Salado, and
he's not swerving to get around anyone.
He's not trying to run lights. He's just obeying the traffic right now.
So you got to imagine.
And there's a car blocking him in, and it looks like
they've got a couple.
They actually hit him with a van. And now he's on the run.
And he's
obviously
busted through that light because you could see everyone was stopped there. So, yeah, it looked like an actual law enforcement. They had a big SUV there that tried to box him in, and then the other one tried to clip him in on the other side, actually hit his passenger side, his rear passenger side. Now he's speeding away from them.
So this is what they were afraid of, him running through lights. There he just ran through a light. And now he's speeding. So this is what they did not want to happen. So I would imagine they're probably going to back off again. Is this guy... Now, look at him. He's just going in the wrong lane. He's flying through these intersections. My goodness, and we just lost our picture there.
We apologize, but it's a breaking news situation, so we do also have it. We keep it on a delay for you.
He just rolled. He just had a head-on collision. We've got this shot behind us, and I don't know if you can see it, but...
we keep things on a delay just because we're not sure the circumstances of how things are going to play out, and we want to make sure that we're very sensitive to how things are
Can we take that shot from the helicopter?
Let's see if we can take that. Looks
so the guy has climbed out, and he's out on the sidewalk.
He's running.
Can we take this shot?
There we go. There he is.
We do have.
And it looks, he wasn't injured in that accident. Hands up. You can see him screaming to some people. I haven't seen any law enforcement close in here. He's reaching down for a shoe, but not. Doesn't look like he has anything in his hands. Okay, it looks like they're approaching him.
So what you didn't see is his vehicle actually rolled. And he was able to get out of that, and now he's talking to other people. And, of course, they don't know that he's law enforcement, but now they've come in, and there'll be guns drawn as they try to take this guy down.
Full guns drawn, coming up. So was that not? It's hard to know.
They thought that maybe he was in the vehicle, and now they're taking him down.
They're taking him down pretty
hard. And...
getting him
they've got this
to the ground, and clearly, it looked like he had his hands up. I didn't see anything in his hands. There was some confusion because law enforcement didn't witness that rollover, so they didn't know that that was him out of the vehicle. But as soon as they realized it was just within seconds.